closely at the horizon. Something wondrous has landed in the heart of Ontario. Welcome to a world premiere that redefines the intersection of human imagination and the natural world. Today, we step into Anchorball, a curious art journey, a monumental outdoor art exhibition conceived by the globally renowned contemporary sculptor Ken Kelleher, known internationally to art lovers and collectors as Anchorball. Captured on this perfect, sun-kissed summer day, the very opening date of this historic show, we are witnessing a true Canadian premiere, the most ambitious, largest outdoor exhibition in the proud 85-year history of the Royal Botanical Gardens. 18 giant, larger-than-life sculptures have materialized across these historic grounds. For the next few months, the familiar, comforting landscapes of Burlington have been utterly transformed into a vivid, surreal sculptural universe. It is a world populated by bold characters, mythical citizens, and abstract configurations that feel completely otherworldly, yet strangely and deeply recognizable. The journey has officially begun. For this curious journey was born from a desire to bridge the gap between contemporary visual pop culture and the organic serenity of nature. Ken Kelleher didn't just design objects, he built an expanding narrative landscape known as Low Orbit City. He imagined a whimsical mythology where humor, memory, and pure curiosity collide, then let those characters escape into the wild. Developing an exhibition of this scale required over a year of intensive preparation. While the initial spark, the character design, and the intricate 3D modeling came solely from Kelleher's digital studio, bringing these 12-foot giants into physical reality required an elite global team of engineers, fabricators, and logistical masters. There is an undeniable air of mystery sweeping through Hendrie Park today. It is as if these giant guardians arose from the soil overnight, choosing this exact moment to reveal themselves. Look around you. In a breathtaking stroke of natural timing, an abundance of roses has burst into full bloom just in time for the opening date. They wrap around the bases of the art pieces, creating a striking harmony between the fleeting beauty of horticulture and the permanent, bold presence of contemporary pop art. As you wander down the pathways of Hendrie Park, you will encounter the main characters who have made this garden their temporary home. Meet Willy and the unforgettable, animated Winky, alongside the mischievous Bunny Bee and the towering, geometric force of Quantum Leap, each standing 8 feet tall with its own bold story to tell. Don't miss Bubblegum Girl, exploding with a glossy pop of saturated pink. They share the landscape with the breathtaking Venus Floralese lineage, featuring surreal sculptural portraits like First Light, Bloom Ascendant, and Verdant Oracle. These pieces seamlessly blend human profiles with fresh botanical forms, acting as a direct reflection of the Earth itself. And looming over the vibrant fields are the true 12-foot tall titans of the show, the spectacular Mystiflora, the cosmic, space-inspired energy of Kung Pao, the dynamic Petal Nova, and the towering Spire Blossom. Watch how the ultra-reflective surfaces of Hue Shine catch the shifting midday sun, while the fluid, twisting lines of the Tulip Dancers seem to sway gently in the breeze. But the mystery deepens. The physical exhibition is only half of the story. Woven seamlessly throughout the paths is a hidden digital universe. By scanning custom signs along the trail, visitors can use augmented reality to unlock floating digital characters known as cloudwalkers and discover a secret, interactive AR masterpiece hiding in plain sight. The landscape of RBG has changed forever. It is no longer just a sanctuary for plants, it is an interactive playground for the imagination. At the heart of this grand journey is Ken Kelleher, the creative force behind Anchorball. To understand these monumental figures, one must understand the man who dreams them into existence. Kelleher's path to becoming a world-renowned sculptor began decades ago, rooted in a deep fascination with form, space, and how humans interact with their environments. Having studied fine arts and industrial design, he spent years honing his eye for composition, transitioning into the demanding, spectacular realm of large-scale public art. For years, he has specialized in this monumental format, driven by a philosophy that art should actively occupy our shared human spaces. His works have been celebrated worldwide, from cutting-edge galleries in the USA to high-profile public installations in Dubai, South Korea, China, and Thailand. But why choose large-scale, monumental formats? For Kelleher, scale is a tool for emotional connection. When a sculpture is small, you look down at it, you dominate it. But when a sculpture is 12 feet tall, it forces you to look up. It disrupts your reality. It commands a sense of wonder, making the viewer feel small, curious, and childlike once again. By placing these expressive, humorous, and sometimes bizarre characters in public spaces, Ken breaks down the walls of traditional museums, bringing joy and a sense of shared community directly to the people. This is a journey designed to be taken slowly, one breathtaking detail at a time. Anchorball, a curious art journey at the Royal Botanical Gardens in Burlington, will run daily from June 20th through September 20th, 2026. Throughout the summer, RBG has curated an extraordinary lineup of events to ensure this exhibition offers something special for every generation. For adults looking for a vibrant night out, the exclusive 19+ RBG After Dark Anchorball event series transforms Hendrie Park on select evenings, including July 3rd, August 8th, August 22nd, and September 5th. These special nights turn the garden into an illuminated evening oasis featuring live DJs, musical entertainment, craft drinks, and hands-on, drop-in art workshops under the stars. Meanwhile, families can take advantage of incredible summer access programs. Best of all, through the Canada Strong Pass, children and youth aged 17 and under receive completely free daytime garden admission until September 7th, while young adults aged 18 to 24 receive a 50% discount, making this monumental world tour highly accessible to the next generation of art explorers. Families can also dive into specialized children's gardening workshops and guided nature explorations designed to ignite young minds. The sun is shining, the roses are waiting, and a vibrant world of wonder is ready to be discovered. Step into the landscape of low-orbit city. Experience the magic of Anchorball at the Royal Botanical Gardens this summer. Your curious journey awaits.